Hey gang, fit tip of the day is actually a recipe tip for today. It's something that you can make ahead and have for the rest of the week, whether it's a snack, a breakfast, but it sticks in your refrigerator and it hangs there for a good, probably 4 or 5 days would be good, and it is still ready to eat. So it is chia seed pudding, and I love chia seed pudding only because you can kind of do it a bunch of different ways. It's kind of a good mix between like rice pudding, tapioca pudding, that kind of feel, not quite yogurt consistency, but more you have that little bit of texture. So it's 3 ingredients, can't be easier, right? I use unsweetened almond milk because it takes the sugar out of it, and then chia seeds, of course. So I always have my thing of chia seeds, which I put in yogurt, I put kind of everywhere that I can. And then for me, I put a little bit of sweetener in it with some light agave. You don't have to put the sweetener, it depends on what you like. By taste, you could use agave, you could use honey, any kind of sweetener packets, something just to give it that little bit of kick. And then when I actually eat it, I usually cut up some berries and put it on top, kind of like an acai bowl, but instead it's chia seed pudding. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this. For each serving, I like to use these teeny tiny mason jars. And I'm gonna go, oh, I hear the dog. I'm dog sitting this weekend and the dog is trying to steal the show. All right, so every serving, okay, is gonna be 2 tablespoons. Sorry, I gotta get my tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, okay? So I'm gonna put my 2 in. 1 tablespoon. And I'll write this recipe up with the post. And 2, okay, and I don't measure it perfectly. You can see it's not perfect. And some of it falls in the sink. And then just half a cup of whatever milk you want. If you want cashew milk, dairy milk, I'll use almond milk, kind of anything you want. But like I said, it's trial and error. You try it one time, make a batch, and then try something different. See what you like the best. That's the best part, is you're not committing to a ton of ingredients. You're just committing to half a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So what you do, you mix it up. I forgot my agave. Hold up. Okay, so Daisy. So you put it in there, you mix it up. Just kind of get, you can see that chia seed magic is happening. You mix it up and then you let it sit for like 2-3 minutes. And then you mix it up again and try to get all of the lumps and clumps out of it so that it's nice and smooth for the next day. Once you're done that second stirring, put a lid on it, stick it in the fridge, you're good to go. You probably want to do it overnight so that in the morning it has that kind of pudding consistency, but it'll be ready to go for the whole week. Like I said, I like to cut up fruit and put it on top, but you can do cinnamon sugar. You can do kind of anything, make it like a banana pudding, whatever you want out of this, but it's a very easy base for a nice snack. So chia seed pudding, I hope you guys give it a shot. I also hope that you go vote for me on Over 40 and Fabulous at Best Self Atlanta magazine. Voting is every single day. You can vote once a day, all the way through August 12th. So please shoot me your votes if you have a few minutes. I hope this tip was helpful and it gives you new ideas for fantastic snacks. Have a great day, guys. Bye.